The second part, we would like to go to the database. We can select the different signals, the calibration signals, or for example, it is a map or the curve signals. We would like to change the signal to the ECU. So before we doing this, we would like to go to the memory. For the memory, normally, we recommend to enable the capture enabled. It is for the memory image we can create. For example, we would like to create a new capture after we connect the ECU. Is the automatic generated. We automatic generated that we can using this image. For example, we would like to import the referring image, and also we can export the select image. For this image, for example, we change the different signals that have already. Today, we have finished the work. We would like to save the calibration, so we would like to export the select image, and then maybe tomorrow or later we will continue using this image. So it is the use of the capturing image for the memory image. Now, and that we would like to check the settings. For example, some ECU they need to checksum enable, and some ECU would like to enable the page switch. Normally, some ECU do not need to the page switch. And here is the run page. Here is the flash image page. It is the 0 is the 1. It is also can read by the A12 file. Normally, for the run is the 0. It means it's the RAM in these buttons. It is connecting. Now, we would like to using this button is for the connect online ECU online calibrations. It is for the offline calibrations. Now I just using the virtual ECU, so I would like to using the offline calibrations. If we have the real ECU, just using the online calibrations with this button. So how about we try to the offline calibrations connection? So as we can see, you have already going to the offline calibration state. Now we will go to the database to find some signals in here. For example, is the red color. It means we have already added to the stimulations list. For example, we can choose another and that select the stimulations in here. So we can find this color will change the red color. So we can also to choose some curve. For example, I have already selected. How about we select another one? And also we can select the map. Is the three signals have already add. We can also select another to the parameter curve. So we can see we have two windows to change the different signals. In here is the stimulations for the calibration signal. Is the parameter curve is for curve and map type to change the signal. Now we would like to change, for example, it is the signals we would like to show in here. First, we want to change these signals. For example, it is the 5, so we can change to 2. For examples in here, now have already changed. It's already changed into 2. And also in these sessions, if we run it, we can using this generator. Normally, we can just using the now, so we can also using the different type of generator. For example, is signer. We can using these buttons is the settings in here. For these settings, we can change the different settings in here for periodic and phrase and offset. Just change if we want to need to change. So it is for the stimulations for calibration signals to change. Now we will go to our parameter curve. For example, in here, it is the curve type. We just select this signal curve. For example, we select the first point. If the first point is turned to the red color, we can also select a different point. Now, we need to, if for example, we want to change the value in this point, just double click and using, for example, we change to 3, as we can see, have already changed. And also in this graphic, the point also changed. For this type, is the yellow one, it means we have already changed. Compare with the referring image. So it is the image we can compare. And also here is the right triangles. We can show it is the change is the odd, bigger than between the image, referring image. Now we can also change the other, for example, in here is the map signal. For the map signals, we can change, also we can just select. We can see some details in here. If we want to select a different point, we can find the yellow one in here. For example, we would like to change this point. It is the 0.01. So here is a little change. It is the map already changed. Also using the background yellow one to show. So some situations we will change the it is the y and x and y chart. We can also use in this type to show. So for example, we select a different point in here. We can see some colors. It's the red colors. It means we select. So it is the we try to change the 0.03. So we change a little bit. So it's the different. It's the green one is the down. It means it's a little small than the conference. I think it's the image. So we're using the image. We can compare the different values. It is for the calibrations.